If you want clean liquid culture, this is how I do it. Welcome back to Clearcultures. Today I'm going to show you how I make my own liquid culture. Each jar has about 600 milliliters of water. I've got 4 jars ready and the water is already boiled inside them. For my nutrients mix, I'm using peptone, light malt extract, and corn syrup. I'll have the exact ingredients and measurements listed in the description. Sometimes I use a sterile tool. This is optional, but it helps everything combine evenly. Before starting, make sure your workspace is clean, because contamination can easily ruin your culture. Here I'm adding my nutrients, peptone, light malt extract, and corn syrup. I keep the amounts low, because too much nutrients can cause problems later, or even cloudiness. I also drop in magnetic stir bars. This is optional too, but it helps break up the growth in the culture later as it grows. If you want to see how I make these lids, I've got a full video on my channel. I cover the lids with aluminum foil to keep them clean during sterilization. Then I place the jars into the pressure cooker. Once it reaches 15 psi, I leave them in for 30 minutes to make sure everything is fully sterilized. After that, I let the jars cool completely. You never want to inoculate while they're still hot, because heat can kill the culture. I'm working inside a sealed air box to keep everything clean. You can also use a laminar flow hood. You want to inject about 5 cc into each jar. Try not to touch sterile surfaces because that can introduce contamination. Here's what a colonized liquid culture looks like. You should see healthy mycelium grow like this, with visible stands or crumbs forming in the liquid. Sometimes the liquid can look slightly cloudy from the mycelium, and that's normal as it grows. Stay sterile and follow Clearcultures for more.